There's no shortage of surface-level advice online. How do I start an online business? Wake up earlier, stay up later, start posting content. That's like telling someone to just eat less to lose weight. It's obvious and not very effective. Here's the reality. Solopreneurship is the future of work, whether we're ready for it or not. Every day, thousands of temps are placed in companies worldwide. Temps are essentially solopreneurs outsourcing their sales. Google employs 120,000 freelancers and subcontractors, more than its 100,000 full-time employees. In the US, 54% of employees have side hustles, and in the EU, 42% are considering starting one. The shift is happening, even if it's uncomfortable to hear. Yes, there will always be a need for employees. Big corporations and institutions will continue to hire full-time staff. But solopreneurship is reshaping the workforce, and it's making employees more expensive. And that's a good thing. From 1978 to 2018, CEO salaries grew by 1,007%, while average worker wages rose by just 11%. Federal minimum wage has only been raised 10 times in 40 years. Today, the average CEO earns the equivalent of a worker's annual salary by noon on New Year's Day. Linda Carroll. If you prefer being an employee, that's great. Diversity is what makes the world work. But if you're itching to step into solopreneurship while still relying on a paycheck, here's your first step. If you need a salary, get it from a place where you'll learn entrepreneurship. Solopreneurship is just another form of entrepreneurship. And you won't learn entrepreneurship in a corporation. Corporations are built on rigid hierarchies. With every management layer, decision-making authority shrinks. Employees are trained to execute predefined processes, not to innovate, take risks, or lead. Startups prioritize results over processes. Founders need employees who take responsibility for outcomes, and they give those employees the power to make decisions. When you work at a startup, you're often closer to the founder. You see how they think, act, and make decisions. You're given the chance to make big moves, fail fast, and learn from the consequences. Startup employees operate on the edge of employment and entrepreneurship. Interested in learning more about the secrets to side hustle success? Check out the description below and discover how to balance a full-time career while building a lucrative side hustle by downloading our free Side Hustle Starter Guide. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.